Introducing Vital Progenix Male Enhancement System made with a blend of clinical strength ingredients. Vital Progenix is a male enhancement system that has been formulated to restore your sexual youth and performance and help you experience an intense, blissful and powerful sex life. Vital Progenix's dual action formula not only gives you an instant surge in sexual power and performance but also treats the root cause of sexual dysfunctions, ensuring that you are able to satisfy your partner consistently. Made with herbal extracts and active botanicals, Vital Progenix is completely safe to use and is free from any harmful side effects. Triple intensity male enhancement for maximum results. The pro-sexual nutrient matrix in Vital Progenix helps boost the 3 S's of sex: size, stamina and satisfaction, helping you peak, perform and pleasure your partner just like you did in your 20s. Vital Progenix is proudly made in the United States of America at a certified manufacturing facility to meet statutory industry standards. Every purchase is backed by a satisfaction guarantee so that you can enjoy the benefits with confidence. Order your Vital Progenix today. Experience sexual power, pleasure and performance, the science behind better, longer and more intense sex. The blood flow to the penis is responsible for erections, while the holding capacity of the penis chambers is what influences sexual stamina and staying power. Vital Progenix helps boost both to help you and your partner enjoy intense orgasms and complete satisfaction. Vital Progenix pro-sexual nutrient blend is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream to stimulate nitric oxide production. This, in turn, boosts the flow of blood to the penile chambers, helping you enjoy harder and stronger erections. On the other hand, it also expands the penis chambers, allowing it to hold more blood in order to drastically increase